Hello everyone, today I'm going to share a delicious recipe for garlic romaine lettuce. First, we prepare 2 heads of romaine lettuce, cut off the roots, and then slice them into long sections. We also trim a bit off the ends of the leaves, because the tips tend to retain too many toxins. After cutting, place them in a large bowl, add a spoonful of salt, a little baking soda, and enough water to cover the romaine lettuce. Let it soak for a while, this way, it will be cleaned more thoroughly. Prepare 4 small chili peppers and slice them into rings. Once sliced, put them on a plate. Crush 4 cloves of garlic and mince them. Prepare 1 yuan's worth of fatty pork and cut it into thick slices. After cutting, place them on a plate for later use. Our romaine lettuce has finished soaking. Take a look, it's released a lot of dirt. Wash it thoroughly. Add an appropriate amount of water to a pot, turn the heat to high, and bring the water to a boil. Once the water boils, turn off the heat, add a spoonful of salt, a little cooking oil, and some white vinegar. Stir it a few times with a spoon to dissolve the salt. Then add the chopped romaine lettuce and blanch it for about 1 minute. Salt adds a base flavor to the lettuce, cooking oil forms a protective layer, and white vinegar helps keep the greens delicate color so they don't turn yellow or black. In summer, eating more romaine lettuce can help replenish the body's moisture. After 1 minute, drain the water from the lettuce, take it out, rinse it under running water, then drain it again and set it aside for later. In another pan, add an appropriate amount of cooking oil, then add the chopped pork fat. Stir-fry it over low heat until fragrant and the fat releases its oil. Friends, if you've watched the video up to this point, could you please use your lucky hands to give it a like and share it? Your likes and shares are the greatest support from me. Thank you so much. Stir-fry like this until it turns slightly yellow, and that's good enough. Add the chopped chili peppers and minced garlic. Stir-fry evenly until you can smell the aroma of garlic and the spiciness comes out. Once it's fragrant, add a spoonful of salt and half a spoon of sugar to enhance the flavor, then continue to stir-fry evenly. After mixing well, add the lettuce, turn the heat to high, and stir-fry a few more times. Be sure to stir-fry over high heat. The greens will only have a rich garlic aroma if you do. Stir-frying the greens with pork lard also makes them especially fragrant. Stir-fry for about 10 seconds, then add a small amount of cornstarch slurry to give it a light glaze, and stir-fry a few more times. Add a little bit of clear oil to make the dish look shinier. Alright, plate it up. Prepared, lettuce is packed with garlic aroma, tastes fresh and tender, has a vibrant green color, doesn't yellow or get watery, and looks super appetizing. The method is simple. If you like it, save this recipe to try it out.